that fit a warm bed at night, someone who loves you and holds you tight, stars above and dreams to chase.